Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Amy the Hedgehog.exe. So it's Amy.exe. If you like the exe versions of the Sonic characters, you're going to love this. If you're a beginner, you will be able to do this. It's just going to be the head of Amy, okay? Very, very simple design. It's going to be like a 5-minute video. So jump in, stay all the way to the very end, and let's hop right in right now. Alrighty, let's jump into this Amy.exe, alright? Like I said, just the headshot, so let's get going, alright? First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull down kind of the center. Again, they always got that M shape in the middle, right? That kind of angry, it looks angry, but it's like a furrowing brow. Curve up, like so. It's going to be for one eye. It's going to go over here on this side. I'm going to curve it underneath here for the other brow, and it's gonna go up. Gonna go over here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undercut this by putting some hair right here coming out, right, and then going up the bangs. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull out, then go up, then out, then up, up, I'm going to go over here to the far side over here, and I'm going to have a curve for the far side eye. So curve over here. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to throw the snout in the center right here. So just a curve. And then I'm going to connect those up over here. Connect those over here. Connect that one up back here. Over here. For the nose, relatively small, kind of round shape. It can also be a little bit pointed. Don't worry about it. Just kind of find the shape you like. It can be a round or it can be a little bit pointed. Curving around the corner over here, like the side of the mouth, and it's gonna. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curve back underneath here. So I'm gonna over here, curve underneath. But I'm not gonna draw it all the way because our hair is gonna swoop in. All right. So I'm gonna take this line and I'm gonna continue it downward over here, and then pull up. She's gonna have the hair, and then now that lets me open to actually complete this line. Right now that I know where that is. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm really open to questions. Like I said, doesn't matter what you use, by the way. If you use a pencil, pen, doesn't matter. Go over here, and I'm gonna go over here and smile. Or you can put her in a bad mood, either way. I guess what you could do is you could draw like some sharp teeth coming out here, like sticking out the bottom. Gonna go over here. That coin-shaped circle on one side. Same thing over here on this side. Dot in the center. Dot in the center. All right. And I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna throw a triangle here for the ear, line inside that, and then another triangle over here. It can be a soft triangle or it could be hard. It's up to you. Gonna throw a line over here for the headband and literally just kind of at a curve connecting those two, and then it's gonna continue in the back. So I want to have it continue over here, the headband. Then I'm gonna go to that top of that headband, and I have to imagine my mind's eye curve. Where would that come out? Over here. Let's go to the far end, maybe starting over here, and then pull down the hair on the far side, all right? Like so. Go over here on this side, start maybe toward the back of the head, and I'm going to curve, all right? I'm going to curve down another one. By the way, if you like this, hit that like. The likes will basically support the whole channel. Curve. That's how I keep the channel going. It's really through likes. I'm not even kidding about that. All right, and now I'm gonna go over here the far end. See this? There's the ear right here. I'm gonna go to the far end, and I'm gonna put a triangle maybe around there, just gonna have the far, have the far end ear appear a bit. And now I'm gonna fill in the sclera, which is the white of the eye. Hopefully, after all these videos with all the other Sonic characters as EXE, you'll remember that term now, sclera. It's like, again, that white of the eye. That's what that's called. I don't know if that's like a medical term or not. It might be the medical term. This is cool. You can talk about it to anybody. Be a fun fact at parties. I don't know. Right on. And then lastly, I'm gonna have her eyelashes come out like here, right there. A lash over there. Just kind of have them pop out. You can even have one in the distance, maybe coming out over here somewhere. Not absolutely necessary, but it's definitely you know, one of those things. And there is one thing I'm gonna do here is she has like a stitching. Sometimes they have her look like she's got stitching, so I'm gonna draw a thin line right there, and then line, 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 and I'm gonna draw a thick line on the outer edge of everything. So here, curve over here, curve over here, up. Over here. So right on. And then that kind of really brings it together, makes it look more like a sticker. You know, it kind of has that kind of cool look. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. Share the video, by the way, and we're gonna jump into color real fast. It's gonna be a speed coloring thing. If you appreciate it, like I said, hit that like, subscribe, and share the video anywhere. Share it on Reddit. You know, there's an auto share button on the bottom right hand corner. You know, sharing is caring. Yeah, let's jump into that color right now. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later.
Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.